Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to run a quiz in the Classwise app. Before each quiz, a start screen appears with the available quiz settings. This is where you decide for whom, in what mode, and with what settings you want to run this session. First, select the class you're running the quiz for. You can skip this step if you don't want to assign students and analyze their individual results later. Now choose the mode you want to use to run the quiz. There are three options. Default mode, a gamified format where students earn points for both accuracy and speed. Short test mode, where only accuracy matters, there are no gamification elements. Custom mode, where you can adjust the quiz flow and points or ranking display to match your teaching style. Now take a look at the advanced settings. By default, the following options are enabled. Student rankings after each question. Immediate feedback on whether an answer is correct. Extra points for speed. If you'd like, you can adjust these settings to match your preferences. In this video, I'll show you the same quiz in two versions, with gamification elements and in short test mode. You'll clearly see the differences between them. Click the Get Your ClassPads Ready button. Hand out the devices and ask students to check whether the light pattern on their ClassPad matches the one shown in the app. Then ask students to confirm they're ready by pressing any button on the ClassPad. Once all devices are ready, click Start the quiz. The first question appears on the screen. You also see the countdown timer and how many students have already answered. When everyone answers, you see the answers given and which answer is correct. Students' ClassPads light up green or red, depending on whether they answered correctly or incorrectly. Click Continue. A leaderboard appears. Students see their position and how many questions are left. This gamification element adds extra motivation and keeps students engaged. Let's move through the next questions quickly. As you can see, this quiz includes different question types. I explain how to create them in separate tutorials. After the last question, you see the final results. This is a great moment to congratulate the winners. You can also open Provided Answers History and review the results with your students right away. Or you can do it later. All data is saved automatically in the Students section. Now let's see what the same quiz looks like in short test mode. This mode doesn't include gamification elements, which can distract students in this context or create unnecessary pressure. We move through the questions one by one. As you can see, the correct answer is no longer shown, and you don't see how students answered. You also don't see any question-by-question results. You go straight to the next question. At the end of the quiz, you can decide whether you want to display the results to the whole class. If you do, you can choose to show them as points or as percentages. The results are also saved automatically in the Students section. After the quiz, collect the ClassPads and place them back in the docking station. Remember to connect the docking station to the charger so the devices are ready for your next lesson. If you'd like to learn more about the Classwise app, check out the next videos. Thank you for your time, and see you in the next one.